Experiencing no service on your Verizon phone after an update? You're not alone. This issue arises primarily from conflicts between your device's software and Verizon's network configurations. Updates can sometimes disrupt how your phone connects to Verizon's towers, particularly its 5G network using C-band and mmWave frequencies. This video will guide you through understanding and fixing this problem. Several factors contribute to the no service problem after Verizon updates. These issues primarily stem from mismatches between carrier network configurations and device software. First, carrier settings updates are crucial firmware bundles pushed by Verizon. These adjust parameters for network bands, LTE and 5G roaming, and SIM card interactions. Forgetting to install these updates can lead to complete signal loss as your phone becomes incompatible with Verizon's network optimizations. Second, spectrum compatibility is vital, especially with Verizon's extensive use of C-band and mmWave frequencies. These high-frequency bands require precise device calibration for optimal performance. When updates fail to properly account for Verizon's dynamic spectrum sharing, devices can lose service entirely. Finally, SIM card and APN issues can occur when updates reset your phone's connection settings. Access point names get disrupted, breaking data connections. Common fixes involve reinserting the SIM card or manually configuring APN settings through your phone's network options. Before diving deep, try these quick fixes. First, restart your phone. This often resolves temporary glitches. Second, check for a carrier settings update by going to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, install it. Third, try removing and reinserting your SIM card. This can refresh your phone's connection to the network. Finally, ensure Wi-Fi calling is disabled if you're experiencing issues with calls. If the quick fixes don't work, resetting your access point name or APN settings might help. APNs define the path your phone uses to connect to the internet via Verizon's network. You can typically find APN settings in your phone's mobile network settings. Look up Verizon's current APN settings online and manually enter them. If unsure, you can reset to default settings, usually an option within the APN settings menu. Verizon offers a network diagnostic app that can help identify and resolve connectivity issues. Start by downloading the app from your App Store. Once installed, run the diagnostics to scan for common problems. The app can detect signal strength issues, optimize your network connection, and provide tailored solutions. It also helps you contact support with detailed information about your specific issue. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and still have no service, it's time to contact Verizon support. They can provide personalized assistance and investigate potential network-side issues. Be prepared to provide your account information, phone model, and the steps you've already taken. Verizon's support line handles about 1 million daily inquiries related to update outages, so they are equipped to assist. The future looks promising for resolving update-related issues. Verizon is increasingly using AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent problems. They have integrated machine learning into their network management, reducing update issues by 40% since 2024. The emergence of hybrid 5G 6G networks, currently in testing, promises even better compatibility through cloud-based updates. Experts predict near-zero no-service incidents by 2027 due to standardized update protocols. To minimize the risk of no service after a Verizon update, take these preventative measures. First, back up your data before any update to protect your information. Second, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection during the update process to avoid interruptions. Third, check for carrier alerts from Verizon regarding the update to stay informed of any known issues. Finally, be patient and allow the update to complete fully without restarting your device.